What's up, my fellow Kasarambao, and welcome to our car review. Thank you, Mitsubishi Gateway, Goroder, Cebu City, for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Ronel Haberto on his mobile phone. This is the 2026 Mitsubishi Montero Sports GLX 2.4 MT. 1.643 million Philippine pesos Cebu City price. Airbag is driver and front passenger. Brakes electronic brake distribution, anti-lock brake system or ABS with brake override system. Features security alarm, immobilizer, electronic door locks, cruise control, speed sensing door locks, and ISOFIX. Here in front, dynamic shield design, two grills design, sporty, silver, and chrome accent, gloss black, matte, chrome Mitsubishi logo, black metallic, honeycomb, silver front diffuser, then engine guard at the bottom. Headlights multi-reflector halogen with chrome accent inside. At the bottom, fog lamps halogen. Wheels are silver. Tires is 265/60 R18 Bridgestone. Chrome side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust, and auto fold. Keyless entry. Chrome doorknob. Alloy stepboard. Chrome door trim. Then silver roof rail. Front suspension is double wishbone with coil spring and stabilizer bar. And rear is 3-link, coil spring, and stabilizer bar. Front brake is ventilated disc. And rear is also ventilated disc. At the back, shark fin antenna on top. Window washer. Third brake light inside, LED. Back wiper. Chrome Mitsubishi logo. Chrome back door garnish. Back camera. Montero Sports emblem, chrome, and MyVec. For back parking sensors. Matte. Silver back diffuser. Reflectors. And full spare tire at the bottom. Taillights combination of LED and bulb. Let's open the back. Handle for closing. Space at the back. Here is 50/50 folding. You can detach this one for cover. Pull this first to fold the seat forward. The next is this one. It fits. Hook area. This is for the cover. Organizer. Tools and jack inside. armrest. At the other side, 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders, aircon vents, retractable hand grip, child seat lock, and dome light. Door panels is gray with silver and chrome accent. No tweeter speaker, just display. Plastic, silver accent, leather, piano black, power window button, chrome doorknob, fabric, stitching, space, bottle holder, speaker, light, step protector, hand grip, then retractable hand grip. Door panels is gray with silver and chrome accent. Plastic, silver accent, fabric, stitching, plastic, piano black, power window button, chrome doorknob, 2 bottle holders, speaker, light, hand grip, and retractable hand grip. Center armrest with retractable cup holders. To pull this one, pull this, and it will tumble. To return, just pull it back and click, then pull the back. Nothing here. Pockets at the back of the seats. Dome lights. And air control. Driver side door panels is same gray with silver and chrome accent. Plastic. No tweeter speaker inside. Just design. Silver accent. Leather. Fabric. Stitching. Piano black. Windows lock. Lock and unlock. Power window buttons. Space. Bottle holder. Speaker. Light. Step protector. Then hand grip. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. Plastic, but a little soft. Visor on dash. Silver accent in air vents. Chrome tip. Side mirror adjust. Auto fold. Parking sensors off. Fuse box inside. Fuel cup lever. And hood lever. Seats are fabric. Black. Wave design at the center. Soft. Headrest. 6-way manual adjust. View at the back. 3-spoke steering wheel, leather wrap with silver accent and audio controls. Here are cruise control, voice command, and cell phone buttons. The other sides are infotainment buttons. Dash is analog RPM, speedometer, high contrast with multi-information display at the center. Infotainment is 7-inch smartphone link display audio via 4 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, and HDMI. Zingo Zone automatic climate control aircon, sunglass holder, doom lights, sun visor with vanity mirror in driver side, sun visor with vanity mirror passenger side. Twelve-volt socket, space, USB port, air button, at the back, manual tranny, reverse is on the other side, leather, silver accent, piano black, plastic, coins, 2 cup holders, manual handbrake, leather, center armrest fabric, with hold function, and space inside. Passenger is same fabric, 4-way manual adjust, plastic, but a little rubbery, silver accent on air vents, chrome tip, SRS airbag, silver accent, glove box with key function, slow-mo. Engine is a 2.4 4-cylinder inline 16-valve turbocharged direct injection diesel with MyVec. Max output is 181 PS. Max torque is 413 Newton meters of torque. Transmission is 6-speed manual. Fuel tank capacity is 68 liters. So that's it, my fellow Kasarambao. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe with my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger. Bye and peace. Thank you.